Hey guys, bike share time. This time I'm working on Herman. There's lots to do because I have a new destination. Yes, this time I want to go to South America and I want to use my old motorbike. Apparently, they're more reliable. I have a lot to do. Me and my friends already took the drive shaft out and I have to say I'm really pleased with it because it is in tip-top condition, so no issues with water or anything. So that is good news. Also here when you look, not a problem. There are a few things I have a problem with at this moment in time, so I need some help. I have to go to my local motorbike mechanic and borrow some tools because I haven't got everything. Obviously, I'm not a mechanic. I can't get this out. And what you have to do is you need one of these tools where you put a bolt in there and then you just whack it out, poof, like that. Another problem I have was I have to take the belt out for the alternator and one of the bolts down here is totally rusted in. I have to take this into consideration and drill it out and try to get that thing sorted. At the moment, I don't even have considered any additional protection. There will be something done. I need definitely a better bash plate and something for my lights. But I really don't want to overcook it. It's an old bike and I don't need too much stuff. I just want to drive around South America. The plan is to be there for 6 months, if it all works out, and I may even leave the bike over there to come back. I don't know. Tell you the truth, at the moment I'm not even in the mood. And I'm one of these guys, I don't get excited until I'm there. Strange, but that's just the way it goes. Some people go like, woo, all mega excited. I'm not. Yeah, I have no idea why. So anyhow, what do I have to do as well is I want to replace the battery because that battery is nearly 10 years old, so I already got one. I have auxiliary power here, what terminates up here. I want to replace these cables, and then I want to put another auxiliary power from here under here so I can leave the cable out when I have my saddlebags on it to charge stuff in there. Guys, I don't make a big hoo-ha about the bike. It is what it is. It runs reliable. It's just a little bit of maintenance to do. My biggest concern was the drive shaft. It is just fantastic. Could not be happier. Yes, I'm lucky. Anyway, thanks for my friends to help me out today. Uwe and Peter did a marvelous job. And it's also very funny here when they're around. So, yeah. I only have another 2 weeks to get the bike ready because I have to ship it first week in April. Fingers crossed, I keep you up to date. See you around, guys. Bye.